Hey, this is Eugene, and welcome to session 21. Now, if you haven't done so, hit like, hit subscribe, ring the bell so that you can get notifications as to when something is posted. Now, today we want to deal with relative minors, relative minor scales, okay? Now, if you remember in our not last session, but some sessions before, we talked about the formula of finding the relative minor of any major scales. So let's run over that formula. Key of C, so that's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. C is the first degree, D is the second degree, E is the third degree, E is the third degree, F is the fourth degree, G is the fifth degree, and the sixth degree is A. So A is your relative minor to the key of C. Remember, to find the relative minor of any major key, go to the sixth degree, and that's going to give you that relative minor that you're going to need. So in this case, again, the relative minor of the key of C is A. All right? So today, we want to deal with three types of relative minors, okay? We want to deal with three types of relative minors. All right? Three types of relative minors. The first one is the natural or pure minor. And we're going to be discussing each one of them. I spelled that wrong. How about that? The second one is the harmonic minor. And the third one is the melodic minor. All right, so these are the three types of minors that we're going to be dealing with today. The natural or the pure minor, the harmonic minor, and then the melodic minor. All right? Write that down. The three relative minors that we're going to be dealing with is the natural or pure minor, the harmonic minor, and the melodic. And I spelled melodic wrong. That should be Melodic. All right, there you go. Melodic minor. I don't know if that's right. But anyway, the melodic minor. All right? All right. So let's go into it. Let's go into it. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is the natural or the pure minor. All right? The natural or the pure minor. I need these words today, boy, I tell you. The natural or the pure minor. All right, now, I'm not going to draw a staff because I think it would be better if I did the lettering to give you an idea, and then later on we'll do it on the staff. All right, let's deal with the key of E flat. All right, now, let's do the E flat scale. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and then E flat. Now we need to find the relative minor of E flat, or E flat major. We need to find a relative minor. So let's go through the formula. E flat is the 1, F is the 2, G is the 3, A flat is the 4, B flat is the 5. All right? And so C is the relative minor. Okay? Count 6. So the 6th degree of the E flat scale is C. So C is going to be the relative minor. Let me finish it on out. D is the 7, and then back to the 1, which is E flat. So we've located, we determined what the relative minor of the key of E flat is, and that's C. So now let's take it from here. The relative minor scale is going to have the same key signature as the major scale. In this case, even though the relative minor is C or C minor, then what's going to have to happen is C is still going to have three flats. C is going to still have 3 flats: E flat, A flat, and B flat. Okay? C minor is still going to have the same number of flats: E flat, A flat, and B flat. So we're going to start with the natural or the pure minor first. So let's deal with it. That's C, D, E flat, F, G, F, G, A flat, B flat, and then C. Okay? It's going to still have the same number, it's going to still have the same key signature as the major scale. Okay, one more time. That minor scale, or that relative minor scale, is still going to have the same key signature as the major or relative major scale. Okay? So in the key of E flat, even though the relative minor is going to be C, then that's still going to be C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. You still have 3 flats: E flat, A flat, and B flat. And in the key of E flat, you have 3 flats: E flat, A flat, and B flat. Now, it's the same thing ascending and descending, going up the scale, coming down the scale. In the natural or the pure minor, it's the same thing. Same thing going up, same thing coming down. Ascending, descending, it's going to be the same thing. All right? So if I'm going up, C, D, E flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, going up the same thing. Same thing coming down. It's going to be C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, and then C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to the 1. So ascending and descending is going to be the same thing in the natural or the pure minor. Okay? All right. Let's move on. Let's go now to the harmonic minor. Let's go to the harmonic minor. Now, harmonic minor is still the same thing. Your relative minor of the key of E flat is C. So it's going to be the same thing. So ascending in the key of C minor, ascending in the key of C minor is going to be C, D, E flat, F, G. I'm going to show you something in a few minutes. B flat, then back to C. Now, in the harmonic minor, it's different. Something is different, all right? In the harmonic minor, something is different. Okay, in the harmonic minor, something is different. Now, we just finished with the natural or the pure minor. In the natural or the pure minor, when you did the scale, you went C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and then back to the 1, the C. But now in the harmonic minor, there's a change. So in the harmonic minor, it's going to be C, D, E flat, G, A flat, B flat, But then the seventh degree of the scale is raised a half step. Okay? In the harmonic minor, the seventh degree is raised a half step. So now it goes from B flat to B natural. Okay? One more time. In the harmonic minor, the seventh degree of the scale is raised a half step. Okay, one more time. In the harmonic minor, the seventh degree of the scale is raised a half step. So, this is going to be it. C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B natural, C. One more time. It's going to be C, D, E, F, E flat, F, G, A flat, B natural, C. Because in the harmonic minor, one more time, in the harmonic minor, the seventh degree of the scale is raised a half step. Now that's ascending and descending. Okay? That's ascending and descending. So it's C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B natural, C. C, B natural, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C. It's the same thing going up, same thing coming down. That seventh degree of the scale is in the harmonic minor is raised a half step. So it's going from B flat to B natural. All right? Let's move on. Now, we go to the melodic minor. We're still in the key of C minor now. Our relative major is E flat. So we're still in C minor. So we're going to look at the melodic minor now. Now, in the melodic minor, let me put it up here. So we have C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and then C. Now we're going to be dealing with the harmonic minor. All right? There's a difference. Okay? The melodic minor. In the difference, there's in the melodic minor, there's a difference. Just like in the harmonic minor, there's a difference. In the melodic minor, there's a difference. Now, we got C, D flat, not D flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. Now, in the melodic minor, the sixth and the seventh degrees of the scale is raised a half step. In the melodic minor, the sixth and the seventh degree is raised a half step. So now it goes from A flat to A natural. If I'm doing this right. Okay, that's good. And then that's the A flat would be the sixth degree. All right. So now the A flat goes to A natural, and the seventh degree, which would be the B flat, is raised a half step, so it goes to B natural. Okay. Well, those are natural, my version of natural signs, all right? So one more time, and this is ascending, going up the scale. So going up the scale, so it'd be C, D, E flat, F, G, A natural, B natural, C. Why? Because the sixth and the seventh degree of the C minor scale is raised a half step. Okay, I know I keep repeating, but I want you to understand this. In the melodic minor, this is going to be C melodic minor, C minor. The sixth and the seventh degree of the C minor scale is going to be raised a half step. So it goes from A flat to A natural, B flat to B natural. Okay, and that's ascending or going up. Now, though, there's a difference descending. Okay? There's a difference descending. Is C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and then C. That's descending or coming down. Okay? So going up, ascending in the melodic minor. Ascending is C, D, E flat, F, G, A natural, B natural, C. Because ascending in the melodic minor or going up the scale, the C minor scale or the minor scale in the melodic minor, you raise the 6th and the 7th degree a half step. But then descending or coming down, it changes. Descending, it goes, the 6th and the 7th degree is lowered a half step, so it goes back to A flat and B flat, which is the original key. That's the original key for the E flat major scale. 3 flats, E flat, A flat, B flat. All right? So let's recap a minute. The natural or the pure minor is just that, the natural or pure minor, relative minor, in the key, let's keep it in the key of E flat. C is the relative minor, okay? So now the natural or the pure minor has the same, it does not change. The natural or the pure minor has the same key signature as that major scale. In this case, it'll be C, D, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, same thing coming down. Now, in the harmonic minor, the 7th degree of the minor scale is raised a half step. So therefore, it goes from B flat, because the B flat is the 7th degree of the C minor scale, then it goes up a half step, so it goes to B natural. So in the harmonic minor, the 7th degree of the scale, of the minor scale now, is raised a half step. In this case, it goes from B flat to B natural. In the melodic minor, ascending or going up, the 6th and the 7th degree of the scale is raised a half step. One more time. In the melodic minor, ascending or going up the minor scale, the 6th and the 7th degree is raised a half step. So in this case, the A flat goes to A natural, the B flat goes to B natural. All right? That's ascending. Okay, that's ascending or going up the scale. But now coming down the C minor scale, or coming down to any minor scale, it goes, the 6th and the 7th degree is raised a half step. Okay? Going up, well, let me put it this way. Going up, the 6th and the 7th degree is raised a half step. And making it, in this case, A flat goes to A natural, B flat goes to B natural, but then ascending, not ascending, but descending, coming down, the 6th and the 7th degree of that minor scale is lowered a half step. So now A natural goes back to A flat, B natural goes back to B flat. So this formula is used in all minor scales. Okay? It's used in all minor scales. You got your natural or your pure, you've got your harmonic, and you've got your melodic minor scales. This formula for all three of those is the same in any minor scale. All right? The same in any minor scale. So we're going to end right there. And I really need you to look at, and like I always say, don't take my word for it. Look up minor scales, relative minor scales. Look up the natural or the pure minor. Look up the harmonic minor. Look up the melodic minor. Okay? And study them. Because I don't care if you're going to play whatever, gospel, whatever, I can guarantee you that somewhere down the line, you're going to have to use this, or you're going to use this information. All right? So as always, if you have any questions, comments, send your questions or your comments to musicmadeeasy2020@gmail.com. I welcome your comments, okay? I welcome your questions. And as always, if there's something I can't answer, I'll look it up. I'll research it for you. I'll have somebody to come in and to talk about it with you. All right? I have somebody to come in that know what they're talking about, that can do it for you. Because like I always say, I'm not going to stand here and tell you I know everything, because I don't. All right, we'll see you in session 22.